Yo, what's up? Bago tayo magsimulan, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa inyo lahat, sa lahat po ng mga nananatiling nanonood ng ating mga reaction video dito po sa ating channel. 90k subscribers na po tayo, road to 100k subscribers na po tayo dito po sa ating channel. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na para updated ka sa mga nilalabas na reaction video. Ngayon, gagawa tayo ng reaction video dito po sa Hit FM 2025 Hito, tama ba? HITO Music Awards Reaction Video. Siyempre, featuring SB19. Simulan na po natin ang ating reaction video. Let's do this.
各位 fans 在我们官方 YT 的频道，接下来的这一段呢，这是我们的特别独家的内容。I'm right here with SB19. What's up, guys? Yo!
Hindi ko pa ito mapanood.
Say hello to everybody watching.
Dageho Washi SB19.
Hello, everyone. We got Ken right over there in the back.
Yep.
We got Justin at the front. Josh, say hello.
Hello.
We got Pablo in the back.
What's up?
Still right next to me.
Hey, what's up,
Hey!
everyone?
All right, we're still right here in Taipei. Well, once again,
Ah, Taiwan.
how'd you like the show for the Hito Music Awards?
Wow, it was amazing. The show was amazing.
睡了
Yeah.
睡啦，睡啦，
好厉害。
好厉害。
Really high.
It was really like a crazy performance.
Yeah.
Like not only like coming from like hosts watching from backstage, but we all know that like all the fans right here in Taiwan, and maybe like the very first time they get to know you.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I'm probably sure you guys have read some of the comments on the
Yeah.
YouTube video. Everybody will be like, "Whoa, who are these guys? They're great, showing off like very crazy performance." But today, for this part, we would like to go back and do a little reaction video.
Oh,
Mm.
let's do it.
How's
Let's
that?
do it.
How's that?
Casual lang si Buja sa si Pablo rito, no? Itong tatlo talagang get up na get up, eh, no?
All right, before we get going, like all five of you, you guys watching a lot of contents, watch a lot of shows and
Yeah,
movies.
yeah.
What do you guys do when you guys like watch stuff? I mean, for say Justin, you put on a movie. What do you do? Like, do you eat or do you like still go on the phone, or
No,
are you distracted, or are you like always focused?
Yeah, I usually eat snacks while
Snacks.
watching.
Okay.
So yeah. just
Anybody
eat snacks.
anybody like a snacker? Like you have to eat while you watching things?
Me as well. I like
Josh.
eating chocolates and maybe chips. Oh, that's fun.
Okay. kaya pala niya tinanong yung tungkol sa kung kumakain ba daw pag nanonood noon. May dala pala silang chicha dito.
Guys, this
Oh my God.
this part is really crucial.
Oh.
This is for Ken.
Oh,
Ken, remember this?
Yeah.
You remember that? Well, I gotta tell you guys,
You remember?
because the last time when SB19 was on Naiwan Dijon on my show,
Yes.
I'm pretty sure Ken, you probably remember it. We got all these kind of different snacks.
Oh yeah, yeah.
By
yeah,
the end
yeah.
of the night, and Ken was like hugging this bag
Yeah.
of, like the pea snacks. So today, just for like all five of you, we got all kinds of different
Oh
flavors.
my God.
Alam mo naman yung si Ken talagang yan eh. Yan yung mahilig kumain sa kanila, matakaw si Ken eh.
The one that Ken has in his hand, that was the one that you enjoyed last time around, and that was the original flavor.
my God.
We got the spicy, obviously. It's
Oh,
right
I
here.
love that.
The spicy one.
Where's Swai Kwai?
This is called Kelego. It's a pea snack crackers.
Oh.
This is the Taiwanese fried chicken. This is whichever one you want. This is the basil. We got the basil. That one right there, this is like the fried, it's not scallop, fried ham. What it is like, it's one of the traditional like Taiwanese cuisine. It's called hot stir fry. It's real chao. So chao hai guaz it is, which is very flavorful. But, Paolo, when you snack, do you snack like the savory stuff or do you like the sweet stuff? what
I
type?
think it's the savory one.
Savory ones? Anybody? Ken's already munching away. Oh, Ken's already munching.
Ano matabi sa inyo matakaw yun? Kumakain na agad siya eh.
Anybody in for like some sweet stuff? We got sweets as well.
Not like sweet stuff.
I gotta show you.
Oh my God.
Do you know what this is?
Oh, I love
The
this
buffers?
one. I
These,
like this one.
these are being enjoyed by international, all kinds of different singers, artists.
Yeah, we.
Always prepare these. Go ahead, feel free and crack them open.
right now.
Yeah, go ahead, crack them open if you want.
Start this.
And hang on 1 second before we get going. Here we go. And we got
That's why there's a spoon.
the puddings. The
We'll
puddings
teach
right
you
here.
My
The
God.
Filipino way of how to open this.
Show the camera.
Look at this.
Ito sa gitna.
Find this.
Bubutasan niya sa gitna. Ganyan pag ano eh, lalo sa inuman. Ganyan eh.
Okay.
Para madaling makuha.
Like
it broke. It broke.
Yan, ganyan. Sa inuman, ganyan talaga eh. Bukas sa gitna.
Hang on a second.
Oh my
So
god.
yeah, and then you eat it like that.
Oh my god, it's
Yeah,
a
it's
flop.
like this.
It's a flop.
What an achievement.
It still works. It still works. But
Yeah, it still
I have a
works.
question for Josh. What do you do if you can't finish the whole bag? Does that mean you have to always finish the entire bag if you open it?
Yeah.
Because if you open it right here, right in the middle, you can't just leave it half
Yes.
on.
Hindi, wala na kasing matitira niya, lalo pag tropahan, nagiinuman. Mauubos, unang-unang mauubos ang pulutan. Di ba? Hindi mo kailangan solohin yan na kainin mo. Ganun sa Pinoy.
But in the Philippines, it's not you who's gonna finish it. Your friends are gonna.
Sabi na, di ba? Tama ako.
Go ahead, eat it.
Ganun yan eh.
Feel free. We
Nakaka-relate din yung mga laging nasa inuman, di ba? Tas chichirya yung yung pulutan. Nakulasing ka agad. Kasi nga mabetchin sa maano yan, maasin. Kaya madali makalasing.
not gonna away, but we're gonna go back. We're gonna watch the entire performance.
Yep. Yes, sir. Let's go.
Should we get going?
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's go.
Ang ganda ng buhok ni Ken, ano, kulay green eh. Okay, reaction video pala talaga to. Performance na. Hindi ko pa rin nagagawa ng reaction video kung SB19 ah. Kung SB19 yung i-react nila dito, hindi ko pa nagagawa niyan. Basta sa Hito Awards, hindi ko pa nagagawa ng reaction video. Ang dami ko talaga nalampasan ng mga ganap ng SB.
Is this all you guys always like
Oo nga, sila nga.
Yeah.
performances?
Just to set the mood.
Where are some of these places? Like, are these all like always in the Philippine arena?
Yeah.
or-
Yeah.
I think it's.
One of the recent ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of the
Oh, the
recent
recent ones. There he is.
So big.
Feel free to join in. Like,
Damn, no, damn. You know, wow, ang ganda lang entrance sila ah.
Feel na! Style best! SB19! What? You guys were
Eh,
I gotta say, Ken with the hood is crazy. You know what you remind me of? You remind me like of one of those, PlayStation games. Where, like, Assassin's Creed, right?
Skyrim ah. Grabe boses eh, no? Lalim eh.
Subwoofer.
Let me tell you, hey,
Subwoofer.
do you know how to say it in Mandarin in Chinese?
Ow.
subwoofer?
Di Ying Pao.
Di Pao.
Di Ying Pao. Di means
Pao.
D, A B C D. A B C D. D.
Di,
Ying like
Ying.
yin yang.
di ying pao.
Means sound. So di ying means low voice,
Di
and pao
Di ying.
something that's really.
Ah.
It means like a bomb.
Di ing pao.
Implosive. Yeah. So di ying pao, and you can always
Di ing pao.
di ying pao.
Ah.
Ken.
我是低音炮。
Di ing pao. Subwoofer. Low voice.
Cool.
What? What? You sure are.
Lalim eh, no?
Oh, the kettle!
The kettle. Ito yung talaga yung pambansang takore eh, no? Si Junard. Diba yung takore kasi di ba pag pag talagang kulong-kulong na, ganun yung boss ni Stel eh.
Asia's kettle. Asia's kettle. Asia's kettle.
Asia's kettle.
He has a very high voice.
High voice.
tone voice.
Like a cuddle.
Yeah, cause like all 很高的声音。
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's the.
That's Godzilla!
Godzilla.
That's a sausage.
Yeah,
Philippine
that's
sausage.
Sausage.
Yeah, red hot dog.
Red hot dog.
You know, I really like
all the dancers as well.
Yeah.
They collaborated with you guys, and you guys actually brought all of them right here to Taiwan as well.
yeah.
Thank you.
Now this part.
Oh, si Olbop yan eh.
Oh my god.
Para siya ka na dyan eh, motorcycle rider, yung forma niya, ni Olbop dito.
Feel the grip? Can you feel the grip?
The grip.
Feeling it. Oh,
Oh,
Very strong.
shoot.
Wow.
there we go.
He's the cutie boy. Cutie boy.
Si Buja.
Justin.
The one with the hand.
Yep.
Yes, he's trying to cast a spell.
The campus crush.
Here comes the kettle.
Dang, I remember this moment, this specific moment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was that like?
I remember I was looking at someone in front
Yeah.
because he was like,
Oh really?
yeah, he
So
was
you-
like that. She was like that.
Yeah. They were like picking.
Yeah,
Who's that
yeah.
guy?
Ano yung maganda rin talaga na nag-perform talaga sila sa iba't ibang bansa niyo. Kasi yung mga casuals, lalo yung mga lokal ng bansang yon, no, makikurious ngayon sa kanila. Di ba talaga siguro yung tinuturong gano'n, siguro yan yung gusto ko yun. Gano'n, gumagano'n siguro yung mga ano na yun. Yung mga local doon, yung mga Taiwanese doon sa nanonood sa kanila.
Here comes the Dean Pao right there.
Sa ibang bansa. Yeah, I think the capacity is 12,000, right?
I'm sorry?
The capacity of the
Yeah,
Taipei Arena is
12,000.
12,000.
Grabe, 12,000.
First time that we perform in a very large crowd
Oh, really?
outside the Philippines.
Of outside Philippines. Right.
Pero na-break na nila yon, no, sa sariling bansa natin sa Pilipinas, no, 100K. 'Di ba do sa SMDC? Saka yung sa alam ko sa Philippine Arena, malaki-laki din yata, no, 50K yata ang capacity yata ng Philippine Arena, kaya grabe na talaga tong level ng SB19. Di na biro.
Let's go.
There he is. Guys, notice Ken's hair color.
Uh,
Right?
From blonde to green.
Yeah.
Oo nga, no?
Yeah, Paul's right here. Paul's right here.
Tama.
Pablo just said that this is the very first time you guys performed like a really big arena
One
outside
of
of
the
the
biggest.
Philippines.
One of the biggest.
Yeah, one of the biggest places. It's fine. It's fine. Feel free to join in, everybody.
Yeah.
But, like, before you guys get on the stage, did you guys do any special preparation? Did you guys like do like a group
Yeah.
praying? Like
Yes.
what? Anything before
Nag-huddle sila, di ba?
on the stage?
Yeah, we
Yes,
do
that's cool.
Saka syempre, nagdasal sila.
stretching.
Stretching,
We pray before we
pray, obviously.
and we do huddle.
Hello.
Yeah, the huddle.
Yeah.
We
But that's what you do for each and every one of your shows, isn't it? Or
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
yeah.
All the time.
But of course we have a special version for Taiwan.
Oh really?
Yes.
We said, nice one, Taiwan!
There it is. Let's keep going.
Oh my God, you're the one.
face.
That face card. Oh my God, Justin.
See that voice?
Look at
There he is.
Damn,
Here it
sir,
is.
sir, band vocals.
I
Look at
remember
Look
this
at the
part.
part.
Yeah. I actually remember this part because we were in the back and we were watching on the monitor.
Ah, yeah, I saw.
I was watching on the monitor and I was like, damn, that's high. And like the voice like very steady.
Yeah.
And you can actually hit the high notes still.
They don't
So, like,
usually do that.
Parang ano, no, tong interview nila na to, saka yung reaction video nila. Para magtotropa lang talaga eh, no, na nagre-react. Tapos yung chumichicha nga sa bahay, parang ganun lang eh, no? Galing. Natural na natural.
But this time he made it higher.
Oh really?
Yeah,
And for the Taiwanese
because
fans,
it's a nice one.
Taiwan.
Nice one, Taiwan. Hataw talaga sila eh, no? Grabe. Si Ken, no? Hataw eh.
Let's go.
Whoa, that guy.
Woo! Grabe.
Okay, out of the five of you, which one of you think is like the hottest costume that you guys like? What you guys were wearing? 'Cause
Mainit yan.
all the leather stuff. Like, how hot was it? Like
It
performing
was
in
so
that?
hot.
It was really hot.
It's
Yes.
like
Oh
there's
my God.
waterfalls inside the car. Really, really.
Yeah.
Like,
Kaya ano yun, no? Kumbaga, syempre aesthetic. Syempre, kailangan may swag, di ba? Pero yung sakripisyo doon, syempre. Kasi pag yung sumasayaw naman sila sa stage na, hindi naman aircon yan eh, di ba? Depende na lang kung indoor, tapos o kaya yung pinag-concerta nila kahit outdoor, malamig, kung malamig yung bansa, di ba? Kaya kadalasan kasi nagpo-perform sila summer, di ba? Kaya talagang, pag nakaganyang silang damit talaga, real talk, talagang naliligo na ng pawis yan sa loob, di ba? Real talk yun, kaya hindi rin talaga biro yung ginagawa ng SB19. Pwede ka mag-pass out doon sa sobrang init.
I'm dripping wet.
Saka dehydration, di ba? Doon ka!
I love that.
Bah, marami yata pala silang pinerform yata dito.
Let's go dance!
I think it wasn't here. No, because at a point, Stell came to the back. Something with the microphone too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was like, you walked right past me.
Yeah.
And I had no time to talk to you because I didn't want to talk to you because you were in the zone.
Hmm.
But I was like,
But I saw you
damn,
were
there
like,
he is, like with the
were
arm.
like
Yeah,
that
I was like,
backstage.
go guys, go.
Wow, ang ganda kotse.
yeah, the car at the back. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
It's a cool car.
I thought we're going to get that car after this performance.
Yeah, we need to talk to somebody for that.
You know, I was thinking maybe I should step on the car.
Yeah.
Perform on
I
top of it.
thought there's a raffle after the show.
Rapo.
Yeah. A special winner.
Mga Banat Junior din, no?
Yeah, go.
Okay, walk into the front. So this part, you guys really getting close to all the
Yeah.
too, right?
Hey.
Wow.
What a cool guy.
Yeah, I know. Showing
Of
off
course.
the
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm really cool.
I mean, the cool part is you guys can keep that cool like the facial expression,
Yeah.
but when you guys actually look at each other and there comes that little smile over
Yeah.
there, it's like that's like the charming spot.
Ano yan eh, kumbaga, syempre lahat yan pag-aaralan nila eh, kung paano mag-project, di ba? Kung paano sila magtinginan nung kagrupo niya, kung paano yung formation, lahat pag-aaralan, no? Kasi ako, naging dancer din ako eh. Kumbaga, talagang kailangan aral mo lahat ng kilos. Sa akin, tinginan nyo pa lang, kailangan alam nyo na kung paano gagawin. Kapag nagtingin na kayo kung, uy, dyan ako, huwag ka dyan, parang gano'n, no? Simple hang eye-to-eye contact yun pag gano'n, para maging precise yung movements sa stage.
Especially this kid. Yeah. You're so cool. Yeah.
Oh, hang on a second. Hang on a second. You didn't lag.
Wow.
Oh, we're lagging right here.
Yeah, because
We're lagging
you're
right
too
here.
powerful.
I know.
Ah, nagdalag?
But hang on a second. We'll let this thing run. But at this point in time, I do want to point out, we're seeing a lot of messages down the bottom.
Bakit naglalag? Obviously, hindi siya MacBook, no? Kasi square eh, oh. Pag ganyan, Windows yan yung logo, tinakpan, di ba? Dapat kasi MacBook, nag-Apple kayo, para hindi naglalag. Pag Windows talaga, hindi sa pag-ano, no? Pag Windows talaga, ganun talaga naglalag. Tapos nag-auto-update. Kung yung nakakainis, may ginagawa ka bilang mag-auto-update. Kaya ako, since talaga, ano na ako eh, Apple mafia na ako eh. Talagang lahat ng gamit ko puro, Apple.
Some of the comment section.
Oh yeah.
Live stream.
All the like a lot of Taiwanese fan, obviously they're saying this is the very first time they get to know you guys, but very first instance, cool SB19. Finally, we get to know another group. But the thing is, we noticed that a lot of the 18s they will actually interact with all these new fans as well. They'll be like, yeah, Pablo, he's the leader, and yeah, Ken, he's the one with the Ding Pao. And
Yun ang napansin ko rin yan na halimbawa may bagong reactor, no, na nag-react bigla sa SB19. Talagang pag tiningnan mo talaga sa ilalim yung comment ng 18. Nandun yung full biography na yata ng ng SB19. Ipapakilala talaga na may isa o dalawa, 5, 18 na magpapakilala talaga kung sino-sino ang member ng SB19, kung ano mga pangalan nila, kung ano mga positions nila, at kung ano-ano pa yung mga kanta nila o mga ganap nila na pwedeng i-react ng reactor na yun. Kaya talagang minsan talaga yung mga reactor na foreign, talagang nakikurious din talaga sila kasi nga, unang-una, kumbaga na-spoon feed na sila ng information, no, ng about sa SB19. Tapos magugulat talaga sila, lalo yung mga foreigner talaga, na kapag nireact na ni SB19, grabe yung views. Kaya talagang automatic talaga, nasusundan talaga yun ng reactor. Kasi magugulat sila na hindi naman ganun dati ganun yung views nila sa mga reaction video nila. Bigla-bilang magbo-boom yung views nila sa reaction video nila dahil sa SB19. Tapos syempre, sasabayan pa ng mga documentary ni Chuck, 'di ba? Kapag napanood din nila 'yon, lalo sila ngayon mahuhook, no, sa SB19 dahil alam niyo naman si Chuck pag nagawa ng documentary about sa SB19, yun talagang andun na rin ang full detail para mas makilala nila ang SB19. Kaya nang dahil din doon, talagang maraming mga foreign, no, hindi lang po yung mga reactor, no, talagang mahuhook sa SB19, tagis magiging 18 na rin sila. Kaya madaling kumalat talaga, no, yung SB19 sa worldwide, no, kasi ganun yung kaigo yung 18 na ipakilala talagang SB19 sa mga foreigner, no, sa kahit sinong casual yan na makakapanood, no, ng SB19, ganun katindi. Kaya parang virus na kumalat talaga, no, yung 18 worldwide, real talk yan.
stuff like that.
Yeah.
So like, are all the 18s? They're always like so connected with
yeah.
each
Yes.
and every one of your work.
Yeah.
What was that like?
I think they're very dedicated to it. I think because we always try to bond.
Mhm.
We have a special bond with 18.
Yeah.
Like we always try to talk to them, and especially when we go out of the country, I think they're very proud whenever we go out of the country.
Right.
Yeah,
You represent.
yeah, I think they feel like they're with us together.
Right.
You know, in wherever we
Right.
go.
Saka hindi yun, no? Ang nabibig lang talaga ako, kaya sinasabi kong wala nang ibang fanbase o fandom na mas lalaki at mas magiging dedicated pa sa 18. Pag sa Filipino artist 18 talaga pinakamatindi. Kasi kahit yung mga 18 o yung mga tagahanga ng SB19 na nasa ibang bansa, kahit pa sabihin mo pa, halimbawa sa Amerika, syempre malaki ang Amerika, di ba? Halimbawa taga California, yung 18 na yon. Tapos ang concert ng SB19 sa Chicago o sa New York, talagang babiyahe sila, lilipad sila para lang panoorin talaga ang SB19. Kahit po 'di ba dito sa sa Asia, no? Dito sa Asia, ganoon din. Talagang yung kahit na nasa Malaysia, nasa Singapore, pupuntahan talaga yan. Yung mga nasa Pilipinas, pupunta ng Singapore, pupunta ng Japan. Tapos yung nag-homecoming sila, yung trilogy, di ba, yung WAS. Talagang yung iba nasa Germany pa, di ba? Correct pa yun, may Germany, may nasa Singapore, nasa Thailand, pumunta pa ng Pilipinas. May nakita pa ako Chinese. No, Chinese 18 siya. Talagang tuwing may ganap ang SB19, kahit individual na ganap, kahit yung kay Philip pa yun, pumupunta talaga siya ng Pilipinas para lang panoorin. Ganun katindi ang SB19 effect, no? Grabe talaga ang SB19. Talagang hindi lang sila pang Pilipino, yung fans talaga nila globally. 'Di ba? May European, may American, Taiwanese, lahat, Chinese, as in, ganun katindi.
So I think that's the feeling of, being in a team.
Mhm.
Yeah. I noticed how the thing is. I mean, like one of the beautiful thing is now we're seeing a lot of the Taiwanese fans actually get to know each other or get to like connect with each other all because of you, like because of a group, because of the artists. They
Tama.
get to know each other, or they get to chat with each other.
Saka isipin nyo kung pipitsuging artist ang SB19, siguro tingin ko lang hindi makikipag-collab sila Jolin, 'di ba? Yung Beepers, 'di ba? Yung mga ano 'yun eh. Kasi ano 'yan eh, lalo dito sa Japan, first world country. 'Di ba? Kumbaga kung pipitsugin ng SB19, hindi sila yung dapat kayo lumapit sa amin, parang ganoon, 'di ba? First world artist kami, 'di ba? Third world ang Pilipinas, 'di ba? Yung SB19 nasa third world. Pero hindi sila yung talagang nilalapitan. 'Di ba? Yung ibang artist yung nakikipag-collab sa SB19, 'di ba? Si Jolin, 'di ba, nag-collab din. Grabe. Isipin niyo, 'di ba? Kasi kung malalaman mo 'yan sa collaboration kung kaninong kanta eh. 'Di ba yung kay Jolin, kaninong kanta ba 'yon? Emoji sa SB19. Hindi naman kanta ni Jolin 'yon, 'di ba? Yung kanta ng yung Toy Friend, 'di ba? Kanta ng SB19 'yon. Hindi ba ang kanta ng Beepers yun, di ba? Ibig sabihin lang noon, talagang sila yung nakipag-collab si SB19. Hindi the other way around, di ba? Kaya ganun na kalaki yung impluwensya talaga ng SB19. Di ba? Kulang na lang talaga yung masasabi natin todong international scene as in sa Amerika at sa Europe. Kasi pag na-penetrate talaga din ng Amerika, di ba? Parang sila Bruno Mars, ganun. Yun, ibang level na talaga yun, di ba? Yun na talaga yung masasabi mong international stage na talaga yun. Which is mangyayari na kapag tapos silang mag-perform sa Lollapalooza. Real talk yan.
And I think that's the beauty of like music and performances.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
that's
very
a
universal.
fun.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's totally cool.
Your backbone.
All right.
Earlier you were asking,
Hindi na maayos yung yung laptop nyo, hindi na maayos. Ano ba yan?
are we in a team? They're part of our team.
Yeah.
Because it's like they're the ones marketing us and different people.
Tama.
Whenever we perform outside of the country, they try to like talk to people, give flyers,
Yeah.
brochures, who are these people?
Grabe talaga. Grabe yung dedication ng 18 worldwide. No, lahat po talaga yan, may ganyan talaga, may dedicated. Talaga may kanya-kanya pang kanya-kanya pang fandom name yung mga yan eh. Yung nagsumusuporta sa SB19. 'Di ba? Yung kay Stel nga, 'di ba, noong nakaraan lang, 'di ba, yung Only Farms, 'di ba? May mga ganun. Tapos yung mismong SB19 talaga, may mga sarili-sarili pa silang mga pangapangalan. May mga club na tinatawag, no? Kaya talagang ganun nila i-promote yung SB19 na bibigyan. Tama yan, nagbibigay ng mga flyers, tuwing may concert ng SB, may mga freebies. Talagang maiengganyo talaga kahit casual na pumunta o talagang manood ng concert ng SB19. Kasi nga, may ganun silang nakukuha. Di ba, may mga freebies, di ba? Kaya talaga, dedicated talaga yung fandom ng SB19 nung 18 talaga. Solid.
Give the information about SB19, and that's really amazing. That's why Josh said that they're really dedicated.
Yes.
And it's all voluntary too. You
Yeah.
guys
Yes.
didn't ask them to do anything, and they
Yes.
just do it.
Hindi, walang ganun, wala silang, never nga, ano pa nga, nahihiya pa nga yung SB19 na, ano, na pag ginagawa yun ng mga 18, pero hindi talagang, naglalaan talaga ng matinding budget yung mga club na yan, no? Kanya-kanya yan eh. Kumbaga, kanya-kanya sekta, kumbaga, di ba, sa ano, may kanya-kanyang silang ganap talaga, kada fans club ng SB19. Merong 18 Europe, 18 Japan, 18 ganun, iba-iba. No, kaya grabe talaga yung suporta ng 18 sa SB19. Kaya sa promotion na lang talaga, hindi na problema yun ng SB19. Dahil mismong 18 na talaga, pinopromote sila kahit saan sila magpunta. Real talk.
On the spot as well. They're totally showing love.
We're very
Yeah.
lucky.
Very
to have
nice.
18.
Hang on a second. All the technical issues getting solved. How's the food, by the way?
It's
Yeah.
really great. Oh
Ken
my
is go-
god.
It's good.
The second snack.
It's already gone.
Niyala pang nanikin yung pangalawang ano yun. Ang tako talaga yun. No?
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, you guys want to try out the pudding?
I think I'm gonna
Pudding?
ruin my diet.
That's my
For
next,
one night. It's only one night. You want to try it?
But
my
I've
next
been
mission
It's
to eat that.
The pudding.
it's coming right up for you. You can pop this thing open. There you go.
Oh, is it-
This is kind.
Can I have this one?
Very much.
Sure, of course. Why don't you pop it open yourself? Go ahead. Try it
Chicha talaga eh, no?
Thank you.
if you want it. We got little spoons right here, little scoops.
Oh my god.
Here you go.
I told
And
myself.
just so you know,
Si Alba parang di mo alam kung nananaginip ba o inaantok na ewan o pagod eh, no? Iba yung aura eh. Parang lobat eh.
we've been eating these. Hang on. Pablo has one. You got one?
Yeah, no.
Here you go.
Wow, I like
We've
this
been
one.
eating these since we're in like kindergarten and stuff. So yeah, like they give out as part of the kindergarten lunch. So even for my kids, and they're like eating it, or like they put it in the freezer. It's kind of like
Ah, yeah,
shaved
yeah,
ice
yeah,
kind
yeah.
of thing. All right, hang on. 对啊，我刚刚就在说我们在从幼稚园的时候就开始会吃的国民点心。All right, let's keep going.
Alright.
All right, we're back.
Naayos din.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Get him back in the groove.
Oh my god.
Booch.
Oh my god.
Muscle, oh.
The muscles.
Do you like pump yourself up
Yeah,
before you get on stage?
yeah.
What do you do? What do you do?
I have this band.
Ah,
Use it with your hand.
Yeah, I use it backstage.
So yeah, so you step on there
yeah, and
like
then
that.
do this,
What
do
else?
this at the back.
How
and
many
then also
reps?
this
How
one.
many reps?
Until I die.
until I die.
Yeah, I didn't die.
Look at the hip thrust.
Ang ganda ng pagkakakuha nun, no?
I love the flooring.
Yung aerial shot, ang ganda.
The screening with your
Yeah,
logo on
thank
it.
you for using our logo.
It's
Thank
nice.
you.
It's
Thank
very,
you so
very
much.
nice.
Ang ganda ng stage, no? Itong ano ba? HITO ba? Hito, no? Kasi sa atin, isda yung hito, eh, di ba? Ang ganda ng stage. Ang ganda. Solid.
Josh right there.
Yes. You know, paper
Do
rock,
you guys choreograph like I'm gonna do scissor and you're gonna do rock? You
Yeah,
guys do
yeah,
that?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
we did that, but I think
You
my
forgot?
partner there, the dancer, he's been constantly changing it.
Because I mean, it has to have
Yeah,
a
yeah.
winner or something,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
You can't just be like drawing all the time.
At first, we decided to play it while we perform.
Mhm.
After that, we just choreograph it like
Yeah.
That's
same.
so high.
Wait for this, bro.
There it is. There it is.
Because
Grabe, no? Taiwan.
The kettle.
The water is already hot.
yeah,
The water is already hot.
It's time to put on the tea.
Yeah.
Yeah, put the tea bag in. Right.
Taas ang boses ni Stel, no? Grabe.
here comes ozone.
Ozone? Ano yun?
There they are.
Yeah.
Okay. Taiwanese group yata to.
Showing up.
Let's go.
Collaboration pala to, no? Ang galing din, ano?
Gives me the goosebumps. Right. It's like it's cool. Like it's cool to see,
I literally
and it's like two
got
different.
goosebumps because of them.
Yeah, I mean like, but like two groups dancing to
Mm.
each other. It's crazy.
Did you know that we had
Dati, no, imposible yan. Imposible mangyari dati yan. Lalo yung panahon namin. Sobrang imposible na yung Filipino artist ay may makakakulab na international o sabihin nating foreign artist na kahit Asia lang. Sobrang wala pa akong gaanong as in wala nga yata talagang nangyaring ganyan. Pero ngayon tong era na to, 'di ba? Sa SB19 nakita naman natin, 'di ba? Talagang grabe. No, kumbaga parang naging level na lang talaga, lalo yung mga Asian artists. 'Di ba? Ganun na, kumbaga andun na yung matinding collaboration talaga. Dati kasi parang pag sinabing Philippine artist, 'di ba? Parang ang hirap nating makakolab yun talaga mga kahit yung mga artist sa Taiwan, lalo ng panahon noon, Taiwan talaga eh, Taiwan artist talaga eh. Yung mga namamayag pag doon, lalo yung F4, 'di ba? Wala talagang Filipino artist na nakakolab yung F4. O basta talaga noong araw talaga wala pa yung K-pop na yan. Ang sumikat talaga noon yung F4, 'di ba? Pag foreign no, sa Taiwan talaga number 1 yan dati. 'Di ba? Tapos sinundan na nga ng Japan, tapos nakuha na ng bila ng ng K-pop, 'di ba? Yun na umusbong na yung K-pop talaga, sila na ginaging number 1 yata sa correct me if I'm wrong. Sa mga Asian artists talaga. Sila yung talagang bumulusok, 'di ba? Pero ang talagang lalo mga Pinoy mga tinatangkilik talaga noon, Taiwan artist, pati Taiwan novela, 'di ba? Wala pang Korean novela noon, talagang Taiwan novela talaga. Meron pang ibang grupo nun, 'di ba, yung 'di ba F4, may 5566 ba 'yon? Yung may basta yung Taiwan novela nun, ano yun, yung tungkol sa basketball. Nakalimutan ko na eh kung anong pangalan nun. Basta content i-comment mo sa baba kung alam mo 'yon, yung sinasabi ko. 5566 ba 'yon na grupo? Maganda yung kanta rin nun eh. Sila rin yung bida dun sa na 'yon, sa Taiwan novela na 'yon, na talagang marami ring nanood na Pinoy no sa na 'yon. Correct me if I'm wrong, Channel 7 yata 'yon. Basta tungkol sa basketball. So, hindi slam dunk yung talagang tao talaga. Parang Meteor Garden, ganun yung tema. Pero tungkol sa basketball. Basta lahat noon Taiwan novela, talagang yun yung ng Pilipino, nabaliw yung Pilipino doon. Tapos yung Taiwan kumbaga yung F4 yun talaga nabaliw talagang ang Pinoy doon talaga. Hanggang ngayon, 'di ba? At correct me if I'm wrong, alam ko magko-concert yata ang F4 yata sa Pilipinas, no? Hindi ko lang alam kung this month o next month. Yun lang nabalitaan ko na magko-concert ng F4. Pero kulang na yata sila, hindi yata pumayag si Ken. Si Kensu ba yun? Hindi siya kaya F3, pero may kasama silang isa parang humadili yata kay Ken, no? Kaya yun nga, nabanggit ko lang yun na bihira talaga dati na makakolab ng Filipino artist yung ibang Asian artist. Pero ngayon talaga naghahanap na, sila pa yung kumukulab talaga sa artist natin tulad itong sa SB19.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Before we had a concert named Ozo.
Yeah.
Like, oh my god.
It's like
It's a match
destiny.
made in heaven.
Yeah,
There it is.
it's like a destiny.
Saglit lang pala sila nagsayaw, no? Saka yung kanta ng Ozone na yun.
To learn Ozone,
Ano na to eh?
like their choreograph. Like, how long did it take you guys to finish? To
Gento. Gento nga.
half a day?
15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah,
I need to go and ask Ozo how long did it take them to learn your moves and like Gento moves.
I think they learned it very quick as well.
yeah.
Kasi yung SB19 talaga, syempre sobrang veterans na yan. Talagang mamaniin na lang talaga yun nila kahit anong step, di ba? Tapos sabi nila 15 minutes lang nakuha na nila yung step, di ba? Ganon katindi ang SB, taga-retalk yun. Ganon sila kabilis maka-pick up ng step.
It's called viral very early on. Maybe they learned. Yeah.
Yun pa. Syempre viral lagi lalo tong Gento, 'di ba? Viral talaga 'yan sa buong mundo, 'di ba? Lahat ng artist yata kahit na anong K-pop pa 'yan, kahit na US artist o European artist, Japan artist, talagang sinasayo yung Gento, 'di ba? Yun ang advantage talaga ng internet kasi nasa nasa internet na, kaya madali na ma-pick up talaga. Hindi tulad noong araw talaga walang ganyan. Kaya talagang sobrang bihira rin yung pagkakataon talaga na magkaroon ng collaboration talaga yung magkaibang artist sa magkaibang bansa. Later.
Look at Pablo.
Lutang na lutang yung boses no? Talagang live na live talaga. Ibang level yung nila.
Let's go.
The
There we go.
visual.
Wait.
The visual.
Pablo, Pablo showing up. Pablo showing up.
The visual aids.
The visual aid.
Oh, woo! The golden
Retriever.
the golden head.
The golden. Oh,
Golden head.
Taiwanese fans call Ken the golden retriever,
The golden
and then they call me
Huh?
dolphin.
Dolphin.
Yeah.
Oh, because of
Yeah,
Haino?
I saw it on threads.
Oh,
Yeah, on
the
threads,
Haino.
yeah. Because
It's called hai, meaning the
The
sound of
haka.
a dolphin. It's actually a form of compliment.
oh, really?
Oh.
It is because
Thank you.
the last person they associate with to a dolphin, Mariah Carey.
Oh,
Oh. Kasi nga mataas yung boses.
That thing. There you go.
The next person is still.
Don't worry.
Guys, get the fishes out. We gotta feed Mariah Curry.
no, I'm Steph Curry.
Steph Curry.
Steph Curry.
Steph Curry.
Kulit talaga ni Junard, ano?
Oh my god, that guy. Who's
Oh
that
my
guy?
God, the red sausage guy.
Red sausage guy.
The rider, the bike rider.
The bike rider. Sabi niya parang rider siya eh.
Oh,
Oh, here comes
Assassin's
the
Creed.
Assassin's Creed.
Oh my God.
He
And
bow.
he has to look at him like that.
Yeah.
People with
He's
a
always-
side eye. With
he's
a
always
side
like
eye.
that.
Yeah.
Oh, such cool movie.
Oh yeah, one more thing is they did the stage like
It
lift,
raises
yeah,
up,
lift, they lift the
elevates,
stage,
right.
and there's a SB19 below.
Yeah. Down the bottom.
Thank you
There it
for
is.
doing that.
Wow. Oh.
Oh my God, the visual,
The visual.
The visual.
Talaga ka na, no? Kaya gusto ko to si Junard talaga. Kaya nga, Sunshine Boy eh, di ba? Speaking of Sunshine Boy, di ba nag-birthday nga sa kahapon? Kasi anong oras lang ngayon eh, di ba? Ayun nga, happy birthday Junard. Di pa happy heart B no, kay Junard. Yun nga, medyo tumatanda na kaya yun. Sana lahat ng kahilingan mo sa buhay mo ay matupad. No? Siyempre, kahit na nandiyan ka na, alam ko may mga gusto ka pang makamit sa buhay mo. Yun. Good health at mag-iingat palagi kay Junard. Happy birthday.
Oh my God, the dolphin dive.
Oh!
Yeah, forget
Right, they're back
Let's
again.
go.
They're back
Let's go,
again.
Ozone.
The ozone layer.
Bumalik yung ozone.
Let's go.
This is so cool. This part is so cool.
Ayun,
Hey.
Kim has a
stratosphere,
really cool.
atmosphere.
Yeah.
And I mean, like
We have
when
the ozone
when
layers.
Ozone they do your Ghetto move, you can see from their faces like it's all about the coolness.
Yeah.
It's all about the coolness.
Oh, look at that. Oh my.
Oh.
Check, yo.
You didn't notice, but he changed the choreography.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We supposed to hold our hands here, but he did this. I don't know why. Maybe.
Subtle differences.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe
Because
he's trying to be the
He felt hot.
Taiwan's-
He felt hot. Oh.
Sexy,
yeah, he's
the
the
sexy
sexiest,
one.
yeah.
The sexy one.
Oh my God, this one.
Yeah, I really love this part. Oh my god, this is the best.
Let's
best
go!
break ever.
And I
Really,
wanna applaud one of our team because she's the one who's pressing the special effects, the stage effects.
Oh, you
Okay.
praying?
Yeah. From our team.
Ooh, this is cool. This
She's pressing it like every time.
I really like the stage, by the way.
yeah, you.
Ganda nga eh.
Unique.
Ganda ng stage.
Only one brain.
Yan ang yan kailangan talaga mag-take note ang Pilipinas, no? Talagang i-improve lahat. Kasi ano yan eh, magiging talaga yan eh. Kumbaga pang-boost ng ekonomiya yan. Parang pag talagang worldwide na na yung yung P-pop na recognized na. Parang ganoon eh, magbo-boost ng ekonomiya ng Pilipinas yan. Kailangan suportahan na po talaga kasi ito na po talagang panahon, di ba? Para talaga makilala ang Pilipino talent sa buong mundo. Sana talaga makinig naman ng gobyerno. Alam ko sa Pilipinas, sobrang maraming problema ngayon sa gobyerno ng Pilipinas, di ba? Pero sana pag naka-recover na talaga pong gumanda na yung takbo ng gobyerno kung gaganda, no? Sana talaga pagtuunan ng pansin ng ating mga Filipino artists. Hindi lang po ang P-pop, buong Filipino artists natin dahil ito na po talaga panahon na eh. 'Di ba? Nare-recognize na talaga, naiimbitahan na sa iba't ibang ganap sa sa ibang bansa. 'Di ba? Kaya sana samantalahin na ng pagkakataon ng gobyerno natin sa kanang buong masang Pilipino na suportahan muna ang ating sariling artist, ang ating sariling kababayan natin, ang ating OPM artist. Dahil kung sinasabi sa inyo, 'di ba, hindi naman po kayo pinipigilan na sumuporta sa mga gusto yung international artist. Pero sana naman mas unahin po nating suportahan muna ang ating sariling artist, 'di ba? Yang lalo yung SB19, 'di ba? Para naman, 'di ba, makakatulong yan sa ating ekonomiya. Real talk po yan. Yan po yung talagang na-envision talaga ng SB19. At lagi rin pong sinasabi yan ni Pablo, 'di ba, na gusto nilang makatulong sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. Sana nga daw na dinggin nga raw talaga ng gobyerno yung suporta, no? Talagang kasi yun ang pangarap nila 'di ba, na which is talagang kapag nangyari 'yon, 'di ba? Talagang hindi manilimutan ng tao yung gagawin na 'yan o ginagawa na 'yan ng SB19. Dahil sa kanila nakatulong sila sa bansa, 'di ba? Wag lang kukurakutin, yun lang.
Wow. I really like how, like when Ken does his moves, like he's got that little, you know, I don't really know how to say it, but it's like
Tapos na.
fluid. Yeah, the fluid. Like, so that was the performance. Thank you very much.
Gento.
All the nice memories from the Hito Music Awards. Yeah. So don't forget, just so you guys know, like even now, like a couple of days after the show, we're like seeing crazy view counts. On the account on our channel. So don't forget to share, like, what else? To comment, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Yeah. The all the other actions you have to do.
Hit the notification bell.
There we go.
Grabe, pag talaga SB19 ang sumampa sa kahit anong platform pa yan, dudumugin ng 18. Ito, check natin kung ilan na to. Kung ilan na yung views nito. 270, kita niyo ba? Hindi niyo kita ito. Kita 217,789 as of now. Ano, ganun po katindi. Di ba? Kasi nga, nilapagan lang SB19. Ganun po talaga ang 18. Ganun sumuporta. Kaya talagang sobrang thankful po talaga ang SB19 sa lahat ng 18. Mind you, lalo pag kahit individual na ganap nila, nakaraan, may naging event si Ken, di ba? O, dinumog yung kay Philip, di ba? Talagang nakita nyo yung tumataginting yung ticket ni Philip, di ba? Pero pag-aakalam ko nga yung pinakamayayaman talaga na na mga supporter talaga na kay Philip di ba, na kay Ken. Correct me if I'm wrong pero pag-aakalam ko talaga yun talaga kasi grabe talaga. Grabe talaga nila suportahan si Ken o si Philip, grabe. Pero talagang masasabi natin talaga na wala lang tatalo sa Pilipinas sa Pilipinas sa fandom. Sa 18 kung gaano sumuporta. Naalala ko pa noon nung panahon na kasagsagan namin noon na ilan pa lang kami reactor ng SB19. Grabe po yata walang tulugan yun sa may space pa sa X, no, sa dating Twitter, talagang botohan, talagang walang tulugan yun. Kaya lagi na nanalo rin talaga ang SB19 sa botohan doon. Hanggang ngayon, ganun. 'Di ba, kahit nga ngayon tong Sonara, 'di ba, may nagkabotohan pa sa Billboard, ganun. Talagang grabe talaga yung basta galing ng 1C Entertainment yung artist. Kung galing sa SB19, grabe yung suporta ng 18. Kaya talagang sobrang thankful talaga ang SB19 sa lahat ng 18.
There we go, to show love. For all of the world to see. Do I understand that next up is the Taipei show?
Oh yeah.
So just so everybody know, like for the Taipei show, are there going to be any more subtle differences from like here to here, or
Maybe next
I think he'll
yeah, it's going to be probably like that.
Raisa May,
You know what? We'd really love to see like Taiwanese fans come to our concert, but unfortunately, it's already sold out. Maybe.
Or let's just perform outside.
Whoa! So you never know.
Nice suggestion.
Nice suggestion. You never know. Just be there or be square.
Tipin nyo, ito para magtutrowback lang ako sa mga nangyayari sa SB19 noon. Di ba, alam niyo naman lahat, lalo kung lumang 18 ka. Dati sa gilid-gilid lang sila nagpo-perform, tapos sa mall, di ba, sa lapag lang sa mall doon, di ba? Ilan lang, 2, 3, 5 lang, hanggang 12 lang yata yung nanonood sa kanila. Tapos puro yung iba doon talagang stop pa yata nila yon, di ba? Pero ngayon, di ba? Isipin niyo yun, sold out. Kada lahat ng lapagan ng SB19 sold out. Di ba? They come a long way talaga. Kaya very inspirational talaga, no? Inspirational talaga yung journey ng SB19.
So do you know, keep a good eye on the 5 of you. All right, so I think this is the end of the video, and we're gonna head back to over there to the studio because I got my show going
Oh
on.
yeah,
You guys
of
are
course,
joining
of
in.
course, of course.
You guys
of
want to
course.
bring the food over?
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
Shout
Thank
to
you.
Joe. Bye.
Real,
SB19 guys.
Ayun, grabe. Maraming salamat kung nakabot ka hanggang dito. At syempre, huwag mo kalilimutan na mag-like sa ating video. Malaking tulong po yan sa ating channel. Huwag niyo pong kalilimutan palagi po kayong mag-like sa ating video para po mare-recommend po ang ating video. Dahil alam niyo naman po ngayon, meron po talagang malaking problema po ang ating channel. Nakita niyo siguro yung views natin, no? Hindi po talaga tayo umaangat ng 500 o 400 ba lang, hindi po tayo umaabot. At karamihan po ng notification po ay hindi po talaga nakarating yung notification po sa aking mga subscriber. Kaya wala po tayong magagawa. Ganun po siguro talaga. Hindi ko po alam kung ano po nangyayari. Pero yun po, malaking tulong po talaga kung magko-comment po kayo dyan sa baba para nakikita ko po kung ano po sa loobin nyo sa ating mga pinapanood na reaction video. Siyempre mag-like po kayo. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, sana mag-subscribe ka dito po sa ating channel para updated ka sa mga nilalabas nating video. Ingat po kayo lahat. God bless and peace out. Bye.